Scarves are one of the most flexible accessories in fashion. One design can become many products simply by changing the size, shape, or fabric. In this video, we will break down the most common scarf types, sizes, and how brands choose the right option for their collections. When developing a scarf, size and shape are not just measurements. They directly affect how the scarf is worn, styled, priced, and perceived by customers. The same design can feel artistic, commercial, or luxury, depending on how it is scaled. Square scarves are the most classic format. Common sizes range from 20 inches to 55 inches. They work well for neckwear, head styling, and artistic prints. Larger squares offer more styling, flexibility, and stronger visual impact. Long scarves and shawls are often used for seasonal layering. They are popular in silk blends and wool blends. This format is ideal when warmth, movement, and drape are important. Skinny scarves are small but powerful branding tools. They are often used on handbags, hair, or as gift accessories. Many brands choose this size for logo-driven or pattern-focused designs. Triangle and diamond scarves offer easy styling without complex folding. They are lightweight, casual, and very popular in lifestyle collections. These shapes work especially well with soft fabrics like chiffon or silk blends. Infinity scarves are designed for convenience. No tying is required, which makes them ideal for mass market or gifting collections. Fabric choice defines how a scarf feels and performs. Silk twill offers structure and sharp prints. Silk satin highlights color and shine. Chiffon and organza create lightness and transparency. Blended fabrics balance cost, durability, and seasonality. Choosing the right fabric is about use case, not trends. Printing quality and finishing details separate samples from sellable products. Accurate color, clean edges, and proper hemming all matter. Different scarf types require different finishing techniques to achieve durability and a refined look. Customization goes beyond size and fabric. Labels, packaging, and finishing communicate brand value. For many brands, scarves are not just accessories. They are brand touchpoints. At Sino Silk, we help brands turn designs into well-executed scarf products. From size selection to fabric, printing, and finishing. If you are planning a scarf collection, feel free to reach out.